Kenchio Kenjo Chio Guchi Machi. Kenchio Kenjo Guchi Machi. Ume Bayashi. Maidashi Kyodai. Kyodai.
It's a Digimon card. Oh, a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Yu-Gi-Oh.
Yeah, I got it. So the highlight was having a seat on the road. Real great walk.
Cheers.
Today we're setting out on a 50-kilometer walk to trace the entire Fukuoka City Subway system, walking every line and stopping at every station along the way. Stick around to see if we actually make it and to hear Reichi's review of each station.
Wait, where are we walking?
Fukuoka is the largest city in Kyushu, with over 1.6 million people. It's a lively place with a well-designed transportation system that links the rest of Japan through airports, buses, the Shinkansen, and the JR network. Like many Japanese cities, Fukuoka is also an amazing place to explore on foot, which is why today we're attempting to walk all 36 stops on the Fukuoka City Subway: the Kuko Line, the Hakozaki Line, and the Nanakuma Line. After some careful route planning, we came up with what we think is the most efficient way to connect all the stations on foot. And with that, we stepped out into the 40-degree Japanese summer heat to find out just how bad of an idea this really was. First subway stop of the day, Mainohama Station. Rachel, what do you think of that station so far?
It was good. It was easy. Easy station.
Easy station. And this is the only section of the Fukuoka subway line that is above ground. Could not see. Only here. Made it to our second station of the day, Muromi Eki. This is actually the station that we live at, so it's very special.
It's my favorite station.
Station number 3, Fujisaki Station. Rachel, thoughts on that station?
It was pretty good. It's a hidden station, so it's very special.
Rachel likes it because it's hidden. It's gonna be a long day of Reichi's reviews, isn't it?
Very long.
Fourth station, Nishijin Station, just outside of the Shotengai. Rachel, thoughts? Nishijin Station?
Pretty Niigata. Pretty lively station.
Wow, a Japanese word that time too. Okay.
Awesome. Cheers.
Station number 5?
5.
5. Tojinmachi. Rachel, thoughts on that station?
Pretty average. Pretty average station.
Pretty average. There you go. Station number 6, 7? 6. Ohori Koen, Ohori Park Station. Probably one of the best stations in the city because it has access to Ohori Park. Rachel, review, thoughts?
I was going to say the same thing. A great station.
Great station. Station number 7, Hakozaki Station. Now getting into downtown Fukuoka. Rachel, like that station?
It was okay. It's an okay station. It's in a busy area.
This is a pretty good station. Okay, station number 8.
Yep.
8, Tenjin Station, right downtown, main city station. Rachel, review?
Actually, I think maybe one of the best stations. This is where you want to be, right? This is where the action is.
That's a very high review
Yeah.
from an otherwise, an otherwise world of
Average
mundane reviews. Okay, that was station number 9, actually, Nakasu-Kawabata. Rachel, thoughts?
Actually, I didn't really know about that station, so I think it's pretty well located.
New station. Oh, hidden, yeah. Station number 10, Gion Station, another super central downtown station.
Kind of.
It's pretty downtown.
Okay.
Rachel's review, what do you think of that station?
It's a hot station.
It was hot. Actually, yeah, you probably don't like that station because that's where you got the udon that you didn't like that
Yeah,
day.
I didn't like that.
Go Fukumachi. Probably the most fun station to say.
Yeah.
Rachel's review, what do you think of Go Fukumachi?
I think big sidewalks, easy walking, but very busy streets.
Yep, and it's still early, so
Still early.
it's gonna get busier. And now also we're switching lines for a few stations. We just transferred from the airport line to the Hakozaki line. And then we will link up with the end of the airport line later today. So we're following the most efficient path that I could create. Okay, next station, Chiyo Kenjo Guchi Machi. Chiyo Kenjo Guchi Machi. I just didn't get the name of this one. Rachel, review of this?
Yeah, I like this station. It's pretty open, ease of access, not that busy.
Okay, long review.
Yeah.
And close to Higashi Park,
Yeah.
which is a nice park. Chiyo Kenjo Guchi.
You got it.
I got it. I figured it out. Next station, another super hard one to say. My dashi kyodai bachi. I'm just gonna have to put this one on screen, I think.
Yeah.
Rachie, what do you think of that station?
I mean, it feels like this is like people live here, nice parks, big sidewalks again, so pretty nice.
Pretty nice. Okay,
Pretty nice.
Another long review.
Yeah, they're getting longer.
Yeah, we'll tighten those up. One thing that's super nice about today is that it's going to be 45 degrees Celsius. So it's a little hot. Okay, another station down. This was Hakozaki Miyame. One thing I've noticed about the Hakozaki line is the station's very difficult to say. Rachel, what was your review on that station?
Beautiful, beautiful station.
Beautiful station.
Gated station.
Gated station. Almost felt like you're in an old shrine or something. Hakozaki Kyudaime, I believe. Another tricky one to say. Richie, what do you think of this station? What do you think of the zone?
I like it. It's airplane zone.
Airplane, yeah, we're right under the air flight traffic here now, going into Fukuoka Airport, so gonna be some plane noise. And that was Kaizuka Station. That's the last station on the Hakozaki line, so kind of an exciting moment. Our first station that we fully complete. Now we're about to transition and do like a 6K transfer walk to the end of the airport line at Fukuoka Airport. Before we go, Rachel, review of that station?
Again, great station, airport, airplane, lots of stuff to see.
Okay, another similar review as the last one, good because the airplanes.
Oh my god. Finally.
That was very exciting. That was a bonus station, Hakozaki Station on the Kagoshima Line, so not technically part of the Fukuoka City Subway system. So, bonus station.
Bonus station. I liked it because it was a bonus station.
I loved it, yeah. And actually one of our favorite stations. We've spent a lot of time. Very nostalgic for us. One day we had soup there. We're almost through the transfer now, almost arriving at Fukuoka Airport Station and back onto the airport line where we'll walk backwards and catch up to where we left it before. Just looking forward to getting this transfer over. Rachie, review of the transfer?
Great transfer, lots of planes.
Lots of planes, here we go. At the airport station, which is very exciting because, as I said earlier, this is the only major airport in Japan that's connected to a city subway system. So very unique, and part of what makes Fukuoka a great place to live is you can get to the airport so easy. So yeah, we're back on the subway line now. We're walking the opposite direction, back up the airport line, back toward downtown city. Rachel, review?
Far. This station was far.
Very far. But one of my favorites, because we're at an airport, which is kind of cool. But now a long hot walk back through the airport runway zone to the next station. We finally made it to the next stop after the Fukuoka Airport stop. That was, I would say, the longest walking transfer of the day. That must have been 5 or 6 kilometers. Pure heat. That was a hot one. No shade. Higashi-hie was the name. Now we're heading back into the city. Rachel, what was your review of that station?
Not my favorite. Not my favorite.
Not her favorite. Still a great station. Hakata Station, kind of the jewel of the transportation network in Fukuoka. And to us, that means we have now completed 2 lines. We've completed the Hakozaki Line and the airport line. So now we're heading on to the Nanakuma Line. First stop is the Kushida Shrine, but first, Reichi's review. Reichi, what do you think of that one?
Best station.
Best station.
Best station.
I think too busy.
No, best station. Lively.
Best station. Okay, there you go. Okay, that was the next station. Station 2 on the Nanakuma Line, Kushida Shrine. Basically a proxy of the Hakata station, essentially. Any thoughts on it, Richi?
Good station.
Good station. Good station. Rave review.
Yeah.
Okay, another station down. That one was Tenjin Minami. Actually walked right past it and didn't realize we were walking past it. I filmed the Tenjin Minami bus station instead. Rachel, what do you think of the Tenjin Minami area?
Always interesting because there's always big lines in front of it. So I approve. I like it.
Lots of good lines. There's a donut line and a ramen line. Next station, Watanabe Dori, super close to the last station. Rachel, thoughts?
Great icon.
What was it?
A trolley.
And you like that?
I liked it. It was clean.
Rachel liked the trolley. Next stop, another quick transfer between them, Yakuin Station. Richie?
Busy, lots to see, lots to eat.
A KFC, your favorite. Another station down, that was Yakuin Odori. Little symbol of an elephant because it's close to the botanical garden and zoo.
Yeah.
What do you think, Rachie? Good station, bad station?
A hot station, but I liked the little market beside it.
Good market, but it's getting really hot right now. Another station down, Sakura Hill. We've been here a few times because we always go up to the lookout point that's near here. Richie, what do you think of this area station?
Kind of like a flyby station.
Like a flyby station. Ropponmatsu that time. Rachie, what do you think? Do you like Ropponmatsu?
I love this station.
You love this station?
I do.
Why? What do you like about
There's a lot
Ropponmatsu?
going on.
Yeah, there is. Science Museum. Well, we're about 35 kilometers into the walk now, and maybe, I don't know, 6 or 7, maybe 8 more stations to go. Temperature's risen a lot, our legs are getting tired, and we're hot. Reggie's found some shade back there, waiting for our legs. Okay, it's getting pretty hot out there. We took refuge in a laundromat for a moment. There seems to be some free AC in here. How you holding up?
It's too hot. It's too big this walk.
Are you loving the walk though?
No. I hate the walk.
You think we should keep going?
No.
No. Okay, now a new station, Chayama Station. A new one for us actually, never even heard of it before. Rachel, your thoughts?
It's just a necessary station. Necessary station for people who live here, those in the area.
Ah, so necessary. The review on this one is
necessary. Just get out of here.
Right.
Thirst quenched.
New station for us, Kaneyama Station. Never heard of it also. Been here before, but didn't recognize the station name. Any reviews, any thoughts, Rachel, on that station?
I think it has some nice old shops around it.
It did have some nice old shops. An old classic grocery store and pharmacy.
Just a little rest.
While we wait for the light to turn. Oh, we're in trouble. Are you scared?
Another rest.
Another break. Time out of light, another break. Another station down, Fukuoka Station, Fukuoka University Hospital Station. Any thoughts on that one, Rachie?
It was my dreaded station.
She was dreading this all day because this one feels particularly out of the way for where we live. But it's all on the up and up from here.
Yeah, it was actually nice. It was nice.
It's gotten nicer. Gee.
Pretty southern.
But Kagoshima, Kumamoto.
Maybe they're not like... It hurt. It hurt.
Okay, and this one was super interesting. Our next one, Umebayashi because apparently it's the southernmost underground subway station in all of Japan. A touch of elbows with fame, with subway station fame.
Yep.
I almost forgot Rachel's review. As soon as I turned the camera off, she noted upon that. She likes giving the reviews now. So, what's the review?
I think it's nice.
Nice. Interesting. Good. It was. Another station ticked off. Rachel says we have 3 more to go. 3?
3 more.
That was No-K Station. The review, what did you think of that area?
Lots of great bike parking.
Okay, there was. Pretty nice too, under a highway, but generally vibes are high around here. The sun's gone down a little, so it's way nicer out. Hey, G. Final station reached, Hashimoto Station, and that's it. 43K in, and now we have about a 5-kilometer walk back home. So it's not over yet. Rachie, what do you think of Hashimoto Station?
Happy it's over.
Happy it's over. It's a nice station though.
It's fine.
It's very nice. Who is it?
It's a Digimon card.
Digimon.
No, a Yu-Gi-Oh card. Yu-Gi-Oh.
That's it. Almost back home now. 47K in. All stations ticked off. Pretty happy to be home. Little tired. Rachel, what was your highlight moment of the walk?
There are not many highlight moments.
Not many.
No. One was that I can recall was sitting on the road, taking a quick break, waiting for a light.
So the highlight was having a seat on the road.
Yes.
So a real great walk.
Super good.
Sorry, buddy.